Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on a brand new knife. This is from Benchmade. This is the Full Immunity in Cobalt Blue. The part number is 290BK. The Benchmade Full Immunity folding knives are tough with an anodized aluminum handle, and this one is in blue cobalt. The Cobalt Black Cerakote blade is made from CPM M4 super steel, and it measures just under 2.5 inches. The full knife opened measures about 5.94 inches and 3.46 inches when closed, and it only weighs 2.29 ounces. It includes Benchmade's axis locking mechanism, as you can see here, and it includes a really nice beaded lanyard for quick retrieval out of your pocket. So this knife is made in the USA, and for more details and pricing, please see the description below. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to be alerted on new products coming soon. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.